Okay, this problem, the company uses periodic inventory, and we have some beginning inventory and purchase information, and it wants us to determine the cost of goods sold at the end of the period. Okay, so remember that when a company uses periodic inventory, when they record the sale of inventory, they do not update or maintain the inventory records. So unlike perpetual inventory, where when we sell something, we would also record the cost of goods sold and the adjustment to inventory, we don't do that with for periodic. In fact, the only way we know how much inventory we have is that we have to go out and count it. So, because of that, at the end of the period, we have to calculate our cost of goods sold. And I've written two formulas down here. This is the cost of goods sold model on this side. And one of the things we need for this is net purchases. And so I've also put down the formula of how we get net purchases. So let's just go through these transactions. So I'm going to start with the net purchases. So the our purchases in this case were 120,000. Right? Let's check that off. We subtract our purchase discounts, minus 2,400. We subtract our purchase returns, 800. And we add in any, if we have freight in, we would add that. Now in this case there is no freight in, so it's nothing. But I wanted you to see that when you have the formula, freight in would be added back. So you add and subtract those, and you come up with 116,800. So we're going to use that over here. So using the cost of goods sold model, beginning inventory is 4,000. Maybe I want to give myself a little bit more room for that. So beginning inventory is 4,000. We add in net purchases, which is 116,800. That gives us costs of goods available for sale. This is everything we can sell, of 120,800. We could not have sold more than 120,800. From that we subtract our ending inventory. By the way, have I checked everything off here? Yeah, ending inventory of 18,000. So that's how much we didn't sell. And what we're left over is what we sold, 102,800, which is D.